In this video, we will learn how to download any video from YouTube. First, open YouTube. Choose the video you want to download. Suppose I want to download this video. Click on it. Now, click on download. If download option is not available here, click on these three dots. Click on download. You have two options: standard 480p or low. You need to choose which version you want to download. After that, click on download. Video has been downloaded. See, it is start downloaded. Now cut the internet connection. We are offline now. Now click on this three bar. Go to download. See, video has downloaded. Now you can watch this video offline also. That's all in this video.